think next week it's going to be even more capable. So if you guys want to do this, we can have that available next week. I have add free crypto data to BotSpot. That is already done. That's launched. So if you guys, again, if you want to trade crypto, that's available to you right now. You have free crypto data on BotSpot. And then the next one is add free futures data to BotSpot. And that's something that I'm going to be working on already. So I'm going to remove that because there's no point in us actually working on it right now because I'm going to be doing that anyways. And I ran out of credits with Codex. So I have to wait a day until I could use it again anyways. So we'll take that off the list. Prediction markets is another really interesting one. I keep hearing about this like crazy. This is definitely a much bigger endeavor. And to be frank, we're going to be doing this anyways. Our current roadmap is we're going to get futures done. And as soon as futures are done, we're going to start working on prediction markets. Right. And I think we'll probably have futures done in about a week, maybe less. If it was as easy as crypto, I mean, crypto was just, it literally took me a day to do it. It was very fast. If it's the same level of difficulty with futures, which I'm hoping it is because we kind of already have all the things in place, then right after we finish futures, we're going to start integrating with prediction markets. I'm not sure which one yet, whether it's Polymarket or Kalshi or Predictit, but these actually have some really interesting things. And let me talk about for a second why I think this is super interesting. So Polymarket, for starters, you could bet on like anything, right? You could bet on, is the leader of Iran going to be out? Will the Iranian regime fall before 2027? U.S. strikes Iran by X date, right? You can also bet on games, football, basketball, all that stuff, Super Bowl champion, right? You could bet on that. You know what I mean? You could bet on basically anything. And then I saw something that was really interesting. Where was this? You could actually bet on, where is this? So earnings. Okay, check this out. You can bet on earnings. Will Taiwan Semiconductor beat quarterly earnings? Will Wells Fargo beat quarterly earnings? So you have all these different probabilities that you could place on different earnings, right? And what's actually really interesting is you could actually hedge your bets doing this stuff, right? So you could place a bet on, will TSMC beat quarterly earnings? You could bet no on that, which will give you like a really high payout because of 96% chance. And at the same time, buy the company itself, right? So you're making money either way. There's probably some sort of arbitrage opportunities there, right? So there's a lot of really interesting things you could bet on here, right?
I
And
love that idea. That's great.
yeah, I think it's really cool to be able to do that, right?